President Trump's voter ID policy is outlined in the Save America Act. This policy aims to mandate strict identification requirements for voting. The initiative seeks to standardize election procedures nationwide. It addresses perceived vulnerabilities and bolsters overall election integrity. A key policy mandates documentary evidence of U.S. citizenship for voter registration. This requirement applies specifically to federal elections within the United States. Individuals must provide specific documents to prove their citizenship status. Accepted forms of proof include a valid U.S. passport or a certified birth certificate. Such documentation is essential before an individual can successfully register to vote. Voting policies mandate government-issued photo identification for in-person voting. This requirement applies to polling places and in-person absentee voting procedures. Voters without the required photo ID may cast provisional ballots. However, valid identification or an affidavit must be presented within a specified time frame. Mail-in voting is subject to restrictions, limiting its use to specific exceptions. These exceptions often include military personnel, individuals with disabilities, or those who are ill or traveling. The measure aims to curb widespread no-excuse absentee voting. Proponents argue this reduces potential fraud risks in the voting process. Voter ID policies are implemented to enhance the overall voting experience for citizens. A primary objective is to increase the security of the electoral process. These policies also aim to streamline voting procedures, making them more efficient. Boosting public confidence in election outcomes is a key goal of these measures. The approach seeks to reduce instances of voter fraud and irregularities. Ultimately, this fosters a more efficient, trustworthy, and dispute-free electoral environment.